Dumelang Batswana. My name is Angel Maria Kgoboko, a proud 25-year-old young lady from a very beautiful village called Tsetsejwe, a place that has built and shaped the woman that I am today. We often underestimate the power of community and support, but sometimes it is this support that helps us turn our dreams into reality. And it is this experience that has taught me that you do not know what the person sitting next to you is going through, or the person behind the screen is going through, or even the person that you just met is fighting. So I ask us to be careful with the words we use. Before we speak, we type and share. Because sometimes what we consider to be jokes might be a breaking point for another person, might affect their confidence, their mental well-being, or even make one question their worth. We have a dream, and that dream is not only to wear a crown here in Botswana, but to also stand in stages around the world and tell the world about the beauty, the talent, and the investing opportunities that Botswana offers. All we ask for is for Botswana to see us, to support us, and give us room to rise. Botswana, we need your prayers and your support. Social media should not be the end of us. Rather, let us use it to lift others and not break them. Because I believe that when one of us rises, Botswana rises. So today, I leave you with this. Before you type, think. Before you judge, understand. Before you laugh, consider. Before you tear someone down, remember that they may already be fighting to stay standing. Be kind, be compassionate, be considerate, and above all, be human. Remember, motu ke motu ka batho.